UDX Airwolf. Looks like bikers might take to the skies in the future. Czech company UDX is making it happen with their electric hoverbike Airwolf, which has already taken test flights. It's as agile as a hummingbird, going from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds and reaching top speed at 230 kilometers per hour. Even seasoned bikers will find it thrilling. Plus, 2 people can ride it together. The only Jetson 1 production for this year, and next is already sold out. So if you're interested, you'll need to place your order for 2026. If the $128,000 price tag is a bit steep, don't worry. You can secure your spot with an initial payment of just $88,000. But let's take a closer look at the Jetson 1. Is this personal aircraft really worth the hype? The creators claim it's easy and fun to fly with an intuitive system that makes everyone a pilot in less than 5 minutes. Jetoptra Wing. At first glance, you might think US-based company Jetoptra has built an ordinary airplane, but there's more to it. What if we told you their creation can reach speeds of 900 kilometers per hour? That's faster than a Boeing Dreamliner. Plus, the plane's engines are so advanced that it can take off and land vertically. And they don't even have blades. Instead, Leo Coupe. We built your time machine, says the team at Leo Flight USA. While it's not quite what sci-fi fans might expect, the idea is that you'll spend just 30 minutes instead of several hours on your usual route. Now you have more time. Viper Jetpack. In 1999, flying cars weren't yet a reality, so those eager to take to the skies turned to light jets. One of these was the Viper Jet, which began development in 1995 and flew for the first time 4 years later. Sales were slow, with only 21 kits sold by 2006. This wasn't surprising given the $182,000 price tag, which nearly doubled when other expenses were factored in. However, the Viper Jet had solid performance, cruising at 603 kilometers per hour. Horizon Aircraft Cavorite X5 Canada is the second largest country in the world, so this innovation from local company Horizon Aircraft is sure to be useful. Their design combines the best of drones and light aircraft. Thanks to its 16 propellers, the pilot can maneuver at extremely low altitudes and Galisim University TUSI. The TUSI flying car, developed by a team from Istanbul's Galisim University, might seem modest compared to other concepts, but it's already reached the prototype stage and completed several successful test drives. Here are its initial specs: a land range of 160 kilometers, an air range of 30 kilometers, a flight time of Diri Solar. Philippe Tixier grew up listening to his grandfather's stories about commanding the airship Le Russe, so it's not surprising that he founded a company focused on airships. In fact, his company might just re-establish France's connection to these classic flying vehicles. Joby Aviation. In 2027, Toyota has invested $500 million in Joby Aviation. What makes the Japanese company so confident in this investment? Let's find out. Joby Aviation is based in the US and focuses on air cabs. According to reports, Toyota's investments will help Joby Aviation with getting certification from the US Federal Aviation Administration. Technically, Joby Aviation's engineers are offering another electric VTOL aircraft. ACE VTOL Slipstream. Elite Australia, with its expansive territories, could certainly benefit from flying transportation. Local company ACE VTOL is stepping up to the challenge with the Slipstream Elite, a concept aimed at making flying cars accessible to everyone. Like many similar projects, it features vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. While the speed, range, and other specifics are still unclear, Otis Aviation. Otis Aviation is another American company, and it has enlisted the expertise of engineers previously associated with renowned firms like Lockheed Martin, Hyperloop One, and American Eagle Airlines. They have a clear perspective. Short-range electric flying cars aren't the way to go. After all, we already have Hover Drone Taxi. Coming from Russia is an electric air taxi from the company Hover with some impressive specs. Range 100 kilometers, a speed of 200 kilometers per hour, and a flight altitude of 150 meters. This flying cab is about the same size as a regular cab. Embraer Pulse Concept. In 2019, Brazilian aerospace company Embraer marked its 50th anniversary. Not only did they receive well wishes, but they also shared their vision for the future. Specifically, they imagined how transportation might look in 50 years. According to Embraer, X-Plane. The last flying vehicle on today's list caught the attention of specialists from DARPA, the U.S. Department of Defense's Advanced Research Agency. They were particularly interested in Aurora Flight Sciences and their conceptual drone, the X-65. This drone features a unique control system that manipulates airflow using compressed air, eliminating the need for traditional control surfaces like rudders or ailerons. The X-65 showed remarkable performance in tests, reaching speeds of 9,000 Lazzarini Linux. But the second concept is even more astonishing. It's called Linux, after the family of operating systems, and it's all about customization. The core of the concept is a 4 by 1.9 meter capsule that serves as the base for ground, air, and even water transportation. From a snowmobile to a catamaran, the possibilities are endless. The only limit is your imagination. A Lauda airspeeder. Mark IV, meanwhile, another Australian company, Lauda Aeronautics, is working on an even bolder project. They're developing a flying hydrogen-powered racing supercar, and they're already on their Piasecki RS Tilt Duct VTOL. The developers at Piasecki Aircraft have secured a $37 million contract with AFWERX, the innovation arm of the U.S. Air Force. What caught their attention? The ARS module, a unit with propellers similar to those in a converted plane. Designed to connect with various payload modules, RS can operate unmanned and is expected to be highly versatile. Fly Now E-Copter, staying ahead of the game while many are just talking about future transportation. This company's gearing up to launch a futuristic vehicle into the skies in a couple of years. If everything goes as planned, production of their E-Copter vehicles will start as early as 2026. They're electric,